Hi, this is Karen with WTI. In this world of technology advancing day by day, I needed something that it will help me to stay connected with my old devices and my new devices. I can transfer data, or I can just use my microphone that I usually use on my iPhone, which is that USB-C port. And with this adapter helps me to use it on my laptop that it doesn't have an USB-C port. And I was able to connect it easily. And I was also able to connect my headphones. I just put it into the adapter and voila, I was listening music from my laptop into my headphones. So this little device has made my life so much easier. And that's my point of view.